Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this hair dryer that comes with a diffuser from Swharzcopt. This is a professional high-speed ionic blow dryer, and this is for fast drying of the hair. It has a low noise and a thermal control hair. You can dry your curly hair with the diffuser, or you can blow dry your hair as normal with the other nozzle. So you'll see in this clip it's not as loud as other blow dryers, and this has 5 different temperatures and 3 different speeds. So this is great if you want to blow dry your hair with cool air. You can. Here you can see the LED indicators, and these are the 3 buttons: the on and off button, the different blow drying power options, and the different temperatures. You control these indicators with these 3 buttons. I really like this hair dryer because it's very lightweight, so it's very easy to travel with. And overall, I loved that the nozzles are magnetic. It's super convenient and super easy. I've always struggled to find a hair dryer that fits my hair because I have curly hair. And here in this clip, I'm blowing my hair with the diffuser, and it really worked to embrace my curly hair. And I was so impressed on how fast this blow dryer works in my hair. It's super quick. And this blow dryer has a negative ion technology, which is great for our hair. So final honest review, I really liked this blow dryer. It literally dried my hair in under 5 minutes, I would say. And I have thick curly hair, so I really like this blow dryer. If you're looking to invest in a new hair dryer, I would totally recommend this one. It's totally worth it, and I really liked it.